Here's the truth. You don't need anyone telling you what to do so that you can be successful and reach your goal. Here's a great example. Say you are looking to address weight management and you want to get on the keto diet. You can get online, find all the information that you need on how to execute that diet. Yet, most people will not be successful. That's because it's not an information problem. All of the information is there. So a health coach is not there to tell you what to do, right? We are there to help you uncover the reason why you haven't made that change. There's usually some sort of reservation, some obstacle that is in your way, and it is our job to help unpack that with you and then create a plan that best fits your needs. So there are so many misconceptions to what a health coach is and what it is that we do. The simplest way that I can put it is a health coach is someone that is there to help support and empower you regarding any, and I do mean any, positive change in your life. So this can be anything from addressing a chronic disease to time management, even stress management. So I had the absolute pleasure of working with a client that came to me for stress management. She had a lot of reservations about making time to perform self-care and pour back into herself. And so one of the goals that we had was to help her plan a vacation to the Bahamas. Now, unfortunately, I was not able to join her, but we had a fun time doing that. So if you are looking to find a health coach, here are the 4 biggest red flags that you need to be on the lookout for. So the first red flag that you need to be aware of is a coach that shames you or judges you. So how does that make you feel when someone shames you or judges you? Does it motivate you at all? More than likely, no. We know that shame is not a motivator. It is actually a barrier and it will hinder your progress. So whether you missed a workout or you made some poor food choices or it was just an emotional week, your coach should address that with curiosity and with empathy. They should ask you the right questions so that they can uncover if there's an obstacle that is preventing you from actually making that goal. You also want to make sure that you're able to be open and honest with your coach, because we know that that is the environment, that is the space that you need for true progress to actually occur. So the second red flag that you should be aware of is a coach that ignores your individual needs. You are not a template. You are a unique individual with unique needs. One of the greatest character of all health coach is the ability to listen and to understand. Once we listen to your story, we can then better understand what your needs actually are. Then we can take things into consideration like your cultural background, your health history, your financial situation, time constraints, even your emotional readiness. So make sure that your coach isn't taking an approach that's one size fits all. They need to personalize this plan to fit your actual needs. So the third red flag is a coach that makes you dependent on them. So our job as a coach is, again, to help empower and support you. So we should act sort of like a supportive bridge to get you from where you are to where you want to be, to that end goal. So, if a coach is constantly positioning themselves as someone that you have to go through, if you are not being empowered, if they are not giving you the knowledge and the skills that you need to continue making these healthy choices, then they are going to set you up to fail. The overall end goal isn't just change, it should always be sustainable change. Congratulations if you have made it all the way to the end of the video. So number 4 is the biggest red flag and my greatest pet peeve. So number 4 is telling you what to do instead of co-creating a plan with you. So you are the expert on your life, not me. So telling you what to do is actually very controlling and disempowering. And that is the exact opposite of what we want to do. We always want to empower you and support you. A great coach is someone that is going to listen to you. They're going to ask you thoughtful questions, and they are going to give you options, explore different options with you that actually fits your needs so that you can together create a plan. Now, we might make a suggestion, but we will not dictate. Please know that your voice and your comfort is a very, very important part of the process. So again, a health coach is not someone that is there to tell you what to do. We are there to help support you and empower you while you are making any positive change in your life. So my name is Shauntel. I am a registered nurse as well as a health and burnout coach and trauma debriefer. If you are needing support in any of those areas, I would absolutely love to see how I can support you and be a part of your success story. I also said that I had another little treat for you. So now until the end of May, we have a 15% off coupon for you regarding any coaching session. We also have a free complimentary session. So if you're wanting to just learn a little bit more about what we do and how we can help support you, please check the description with the link for a complimentary session. I hope these tips have been helpful. Be sure to check out our other free resources that we offer on our site at chartlife.com. That's Life with a Y.